we're going to put all this into that. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you know, this Friday we're leaving for Wisconsin to go to Road America to go see the King of the Baggers race. Now, Road America, for those of you who don't know, which I didn't even know until I looked it up, is I guess you can consider a camping racetrack. I'm sure there's plenty of them out there in America, but it's a huge campsite that almost wraps around the whole entire track. So, me and Greg are leaving Friday morning, and we're going to stay there Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, and then come back on Monday. So 3 nights, and I'm taking the lowrider ST, and one of the main reasons why I got the tour pack, well, 2 main reasons why I got the tour pack. The main reason why I got the tour pack was for the backrest, for my wife to sit on the back, and it seconds as extra storage, so kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That's why I have a tour pack. So we're going to put it to good use. We're going to see if we can fit all of that stuff. Now that's just the camping gear into the bike. Now, I am kind of going to cheat on this one. I do have a pack that's going to sit on the seat, and my larger of the 2 bags is what I generally store my rain gear and random things I need. Tire puncture kit, my pump, my rain gear, my tool, little small tool bag, and the tools that came with the bike to adjust the rear shock. So let's see if I can get all this stuff into the bike and still have enough room in my smaller bag to fit all my clothes, because I haven't packed yet. So in theory, I need all of this to fit in the large bag, the tour pack, and my seat bag, and then my GoPro, camera equipment, battery packs, and clothes, and other random things that I'll end up needing in my smaller bag, because my smaller bag's a bag that I usually keep empty. Alright, so let's see what I can do. First off, I guess maybe I should tell you, I truthfully don't know a lot about these products because I've had them for a long time, and I can't remember where I got a lot of them from. But we can start. This is a Frog Tog rain jacket, and I can't remember what kind of pants those are. I bought them recently because my other pants, rain pants, had a hole in them. This is a bug net for my hammock. That's a blanket. This is my rain fly for the hammock. This is my sleeping pad, one of my sleeping pads. It was a mass drop item that doesn't, I don't think mass drop exists anymore. That Wise Owl are tree-friendly straps for the hammock. I guess they're thick, like straps instead of rope, and they don't clinch against the tree and you know, tighten up against it to kind of break up the bark or anything. This is actually a beach towel. It's like I'm using it as a small tarp to put under the tent because I also have a tent. That's my second sleeping pad in case that one doesn't work because I've never actually used the Climate yet. This is my one-person sleeping tent. I've never actually used it before. I'm going to bring that with me to kind of waterproof the seams on the tent. My tire puncture kit, a dead blow hammer to hammer in the stakes, my air pump, which I forgot I originally used on my Kawasaki that had a cigarette lighter on it, but this does actually plug into the battery tender on the Harleys. That's my Wise Owl two-person hammock, and anyone that's ever slept in a hammock before knows that a two-person hammock is really just a comfortable one-person hammock. This is my sleeping bag. Is this my sleeping bag? No, this is my underquill for my hammock. This is my sleeping bag. It's a summer type sleeping bag, 50 degree. That's a foldable chair. And yeah, that's about it. This is the this is actually the bag that I put in the large bag on the Harley. This actually is from my these are from a Nomad, but they fit in the Nomad bags are the same as the Kawasaki Vaquero bags. So this one fits in the large bag, and then that's going to be my seat bag. Alright, so this is basically the gist of it. I don't have this bag strapped down yet because I'm going to move it. This bag right here is still pretty much empty. I just got some random stuff in it, suntan lotion, whatever. But hopefully I'll be able to put all my clothes in there. If I don't have enough room in there, the cool thing about this bag is it expands. So I'll probably get another 3-4 inches of space in there, and that's a lot. So, but with that, I ended up, you can tell it's backwards right now. This is actually a bike cover, and I was trying to find a spot for it because I'm like, maybe I'll bring my bike cover in case it rains or something. But I didn't have any room for it, and I didn't want to expand that bag if I didn't have to. And I remembered this bag it's made for a sissy bar. Or there's the D-rings down here that you can attach under the seat. I actually found that I'm able to sling it around the mount there, and it's pretty tight, it ain't going anywhere. But I'm like, well, let me flip this thing around and let me put that pad there and strap it down with the two straps, Velcro straps, and now I have a backrest. There's spots to put things if I need to. I actually have the straps in there. I put the rope and stuff in here. Our tickets are in here. And on this side is the rain fly for it. So if it does rain, it has a rain cover that you can put on there and cinch up. All of my tools and rain gear fit in here in that bag. It's been on the bike since I've had it, so I just took it out for the video. Then everything else is in here. Again, this is a chopped tour pack, so it's an inch taller, I believe, all the way around. compared to a Razor tour pack. So this stuff barely fits in here. Like, I have to push it down for it to fit. But you can see it doesn't want to shut because it's hitting that underquill. But she closes. So yeah, there it is. Maybe I'll strap that down now because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It rained today. So yeah, I'll probably go inside. It's hot as hell right now. It's humid. But I'll probably go inside and pack all my clothes, my camera gear, and toothbrushes and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically it for now. Just wanted to make a fairly quick video before we head off. I'll edit this tomorrow, hopefully get it out to you by tomorrow. And the next time you'll see me, we'll probably be in Wisconsin or on our way to Wisconsin. With that, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions on anything, let me know. I can try to look up all the stuff I have. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.